Yes.
But do you want me to do that from here, or do you want me to push
No,
castle
I want you to
in here?
I want you to get to castle and work your castle this way.
Okay.
Right? So like this.
Okay. Just make sure, Tonka. Tonka.
Yeah, Aiden. Way too steady. Way too steady. Me and Ferrari yesterday.
Bro, you were not scared. You were gunning back there, bro.
Huh? I love Tito. Here, sit. Hey, don't kiss each other, guys. Oh! That was a 1.5 ball. I think he one balled Rohit. Spit? Good trade, Tonka. Good shit, bro.
Bringing the drums, I'm bringing the bass, I'm bringing the Marty flicks. See, I'm focused on drums and bass right now. Never no time for chicks, made wiggle it, made wine it. We back in a couple of other bits. Steve called me and told me it's back right now, so we're gonna hit on with it. We're going in hard, the lyrical bar, and 25 rhythms to hit. Too many flows and nobody larger, we're gonna rock us and lick on with it. Too many flows and nobody larger, picking the pass, so credit the card. 2 minutes sipping the liquor, then pulling the trigger, but dagger me down in the odds. Minimal, I come lyrical, step a drum and bass on my pedestal. Any shit talking, you're edible. See a storm's coming detectable, so my knowledge here is chemical, and your bars here is susceptible. Come bow to me, come correctional. My background here be medical. Anastasia, whether you a vegetable. Any bars in the track, I'm respectable. Everything that I say be intentional. You can't lie, be lying, forgettable. Expressible, directional. With a part 2 now extendable. Don't repeat this song like a decimal. Come bow to me, stand sentinel. I'm going in bar in larger. Second time I sold the saga. One of the chicks, Savannah was Shauna. Sip with my bars, I still disarm me. Going in harder, lyrical bar. Too many flows and nobody larger. Beats coming harder, listen to saga. Catch me in this S4 with this big ride. You come plenty. You're the M4, the doors 0 to 60 in 4 point. You can't catch me. No more to come up brutality. They mad see cause I keep speed. Fuck that, yeah go ham now, you can't match me. I'm bringing the drums, I'm bringing the bass, I'm bringing the Marty. Hey, fuck that, I'ma go ham in the mic now. Watch me vibe and I spin the sky like roll away me on a death wish. Like he got sepsis, sense for peace and I told him that I'm electric. You don't get this, put him to sleep at night. Put him to sleep night. I'm bringing the drums, I'm bringing the bass, I'm bringing the Marty. Hey, see bro, this Marty too. Another contestant side. Steve, your brother can send it high down.
Sometimes that is better.
Got off the phone with B, jump on a Marty one. We're giving them drums, giving them bass, giving them party one. It's been a minute, but we're back to writing lyrics. So he tagged me in and told me swan-ton bomb it on a hardy one. Bro, you're back, hardly wrong. Big flows, Arnie one. Came in with the wax on wax off style and a Miyagi one. Can't believe that I was fully settled in with life. I realised you're destined for way more. This on a Samuel Carly one. Be that deeper flavor, misbehavior, instigator, ganja man from young. So every day we smoke a different flavor. Feeling lyrical, I hit the shoes with B. I told him mix and blend again. My bro and mix it major. Still we trying to make the hits and take it major. Still be taking risks just for the paper. Had to realise that all them detours won't take you off. And now it's straightforward like racer.
Yes, and you can't hold me down, my DNA celestial. Hating on a clean-hearted kid is unacceptable. I'm too real, too raw, and that should be commendable. Got pack that's too fat, man, I can't stash about my testicles, oi. And if you're chatting shit, then I'ma end the call. Fuck what a hater thinks, I don't care if I offend you all. You know it's technical, my flows are asymmetrical. Saying she's in love, it's got me looking at her skeptical. I mean skeptically, she must be mental G. So big up all the ravers, front row like what you telling me. And you can't chill with us if I don't feel your energy. Recipes to Joe, you know I do this in your memory. And when my brain's fucked, I do some hypnotherapy. Might smoke a drag of stout, but I ain't sipping on no Hennessy. I fuck the melody, that's why my music's heavenly. My run up in the embassy, a nickel of their treasury.
You can't put me in a friend zone, cause I just take all your friends home. You know when we guess though, these chicks they don't wanna let go. I'm bringing the drugs, I'm bringing the bass, I need to leave for my next show. I don't need the drugs, I don't need the crates, I'm already active, let's go. It's drum and bass, it's not techno, it's the Marty remix, yes bro. The Slick Steve and Beeline spitting on drums and fuck up tempo. It's ISO when I'm in the metric, trust it's ever done to my master. These girls are grabbing my hand, they're trying to drag me out to the afters. I only land the parties if I'm linking up with Darcy or Carly or Marnie or anything.
Hey, did you eat your Wheaties this morning, Piper? Let's go, Jeff! Attaboy. Let's go! Beautiful, beautiful work, brother.
Change your heart, look around.